Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve sluggish multitasking issue on your Google Pixel 10a. So, in order to fix this issue, we're gonna have to increase the amount of available RAM memory on your smartphone. And this is an issue for the smartphone since it has 8 GB of RAM. Now 8 GB of RAM is not bad at all, especially for a smartphone, but sometimes it may just get clogged with different processes running in the background, and we can easily get rid of them by going to About Phone section. Then here we're gonna have to scroll down to build number and tap it 7 times if I'm not mistaken. Then you're gonna have to enter your device's password, and then we're gonna have to go back to settings, open system, and then scroll down to developer options. Here in the developer options, we're gonna have to open running services menu. Now you can search for it manually just by scrolling down, or you can use the search bar and just search for running services here, then select them. And then if you see the process that you don't need to be running, like this Mi Fitness application, then you can select it and tap stop, and this way you will unclog your device's RAM memory. And so yeah, here you can also check the amount of free RAM memory in the moment. And if this process keeps working without stopping, then we can easily fix that by going back to settings, then apps, and then in apps we're gonna have to select this application in the app menu. So let's find this Mi Fitness application and go to battery usage, and then let's disallow background usage by switching this toggle to the left, and this should remove the application from the background, and it should stop eating our device's RAM memory. And this way you can get rid of all the apps that are clogging your device's RAM memory. Now let me just check once again real quick. So let's go back to running services. Okay, so I think to fully apply this change, we're gonna have to also restart the phone. But besides, I also want to show you one important thing. So go to settings, go to storage, and make sure that you have enough of the storage available. So preferably having not clogged up, your storage not clogged up. So check whether you have at least like 20 GB of available storage for the better memory distribution in your smartphone. Since if it's too clogged up, then your memory basically has no way to redistribute on your phone, and you'll constantly be getting this sluggish feeling when you're multitasking or opening several programs on your smartphone. Therefore, I highly recommend also cleaning up your storage. And you can also do this easily using their built-in assistant, which will help you free up storage by deleting some large files, downloaded files that you don't need, just like this. And let's move them. Let's move these files to bin. And let's also remove some unneeded large files from the smartphone. And this way we'll also clean up some storage. And yeah, and after that your phone will be running much smoother. And so yeah, that's it for this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.